अभी यहाँ तक है।
बीच में मैं तानिया बोलता हूँ जैसे कि
you are not knowing what's going to go. So both of you should feel what? Between you and
He says Tanya, then I say all farewell on farewell.
She comes here, she left you there. Then you can okay.
Technically it's so nicely. 20 साल बाद इस घर में खुशियाँ हो रही है और फेयरवेल मेरा फेयरवेल हम कल वापस
No, she won't come. When I said Tanya, please, you should give me a reaction that you don't worry, I'm not putting it down.
Yeah, that is why.
Otherwise, मेरा ताने बोलने का मतलब नहीं।
ताने बोला तो what are you saying?
तो बात रह जाती है।
आपसे 51 का करा दिया था, 3 में 451 का कराया, ये काम का हो गया 10 दिन में। एमें जो स्कीम सब आगे हैं तो फायदा उठ गई बुझा। हम 13 तारीख को आए थे हम लोग वहाँ से, 13 को कराए, वो चला अगला महीना के 11 तक। कितना फोन किया कब बहुत है
Attention, what's happening? Ready, start, sound.
Rolling.
Action.
Wasn't it look nice? See all those candles and all that photo was there, no? It is. 24 साल बाद इस घर में खुशियाँ हो रही हैं। And it's my parents. हम सब कल वापस आ रहे हैं।
It was quite nice. Later it was good. One more. Back in action was very naturally it came to me, but it was not the intention at all, because I just wanted to make a film. I was very keen, as you all know, for the past so many years I was planning. My right script I was not getting. That's the reason I could not make, as everybody keep on used to ask me. I just wanted to produce a film, which I did, but fortunately or unfortunately it happens that I had to take over because of little creative differences. I was very particular about certain thing and it was not happening. So very cordially, very pleasantly, he also agreed. So that is I have taken over and I am doing it, which was not at all my intention. I wanted somebody else to do it because it's a very tough job to direct a film. Because I am going through every shot by shot, you have to see and make it, But it's very interesting. For any creative person, it is wonderful to make a film. Because every shot you are creating, it is your creation, you are thinking, oh, you want like this, like that. Even if some assistant comes and interrupts and then says, nahi, isko aisa lete hain. But you are so convinced with what you are feeling, so you say, no, I want to do this. So I am very sure about what I want, so I feel I am able to do a good job. Now when the film releases, what happens? That is, you all can judge and say okay, how good or whatever.
Ma'am, are you kind of fascinated with such subjects as this film deals with? We've seen a film by Mr. Bela, which also kind of dealt with something like this where this guy...
I mean, it's, no, but it is totally different it is not at all the same, but it resembles because it is again the little parents portion comes. Even in that she was searching for the mother, but that whole total story was different. This is entirely different, and it is very interesting and very sweet. That's why I love this subject so much. But when I started seeing the rush print after shooting in Rajasthan for 20 days, then 20 days in Turkey and Goa, somewhere the links, something was missing. So I was wanting to rectify that, which was not happening, so that is the reason I had to.
ईशा के साथ काम करके कैसा?
हाँ?
ईशा के को आप
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. She feels so nice for in between mama do. So you don't feel as if you are directing or anything, It's as if something is happening at your own home because it's my home production.
How is it directing?
That I am going to do that now.
How much excited you are?
We all should come, definitely. That I think that part, we have already done the shooting. Maybe if any reshoot or some scenes to be added or something, then I will have to do that. So I think that scene I'll have to leave it to him to direct it himself. Because he will not listen to me.
How hard it was to convince him for this role?
It was not at all difficult because I was only hesitating. No, I should not, trouble because each one has got their own viewpoints. Karna hai, saath mein nahi karna hai. But once Aisha asked him, so immediately everything happened. So I said, okay, fine, very good.
Thank you.
See? It's looking so nice, decorated, no? Look at those candles over there. Pretty. 24 साल बाद मेरी खुशियाँ चल रही हैं.
Okay. ये shift होगा. Okay.
And it's a farewell. हम सब कल वापस जाएंगे.
Everyone here, please.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
800 pictures.
Sir, yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. अब थोड़ा काम भी करें अभी.